Good morning, students. Today we will study about the use of is, am, are along with verb plus ing. Verb, verb means action words, or we can say that doing words. So, action words, doing words are called verb. So, today we will study where to use is, am, are plus verb plus ing. So let's start. First, I. I means मैं. We use am with I. What we use? We always use am. I am reading a book. So what we have used? We have used am with I. We always use am, nothing else. Always use am with I. I am reading a book. Second is he. He is used for boy. As we have already done in pronoun that we use he for boy. So we use is with he. We use is with he. He is listening a story. He is listening a story. Third, she. As we all know that for girl we always use she in pronoun, and with she also we use is. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. Next is it. As in pronoun, we have already discussed that it is used for thing, animal, or a bird. So I have taken all the examples. It is first used for thing, scale. Scale is a thing. Now it is used for animal. For animal, I have used cat. It is again used for bird. For bird, I have used duck. So it is used for a thing, animal, bird along with is. So these all are singular words or pronoun. These all are singular pronoun. I, he, she and it. Singular means one. Singular means one. And with all these we use am with I and is with he, she and it. So again I am repeating, we use am with I, is with he, she and it. And further we can classify it in the form of thing, animal and bird. So now it is clear beta that we use am for I, is for he, she and it, and all these pronouns are singular. All these pronouns are singular. One. Thank you, students.